Kasorka Meghalaya kalapalai nyup kendai point san kuru tingka ban pun khu ya ka jing sa teng tulop ka bakar arbrai jong ka nong tre jong ka Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC. Lapan bana Menteri rang ba ka jala U Conrad ke sangma. Ya ka pisa lapan kerja asya ka escrow account ban pintikina ha ka jing sio kan poi sha ki nong tre ki ba sha kta. Jing bang pisa baro khatwei kru tingka ka pen i ka jing sio badang sa teng sha ka GHADC kat ba Henry Pupra point san kru tingka kala ai kum ka jing sio lupa persha ya ka jing sio royalty hakipor banwan.
So the other ADCs have not come out with the report to us yet, and we will work with the ADCs. I want to make it very clear, as I said, the decision is very, very simple and very clear that this is not an additional amount that we're giving to them. This is an amount that is going from their own share. We are adjusting in the future the advance that we're giving to them. So this is their money. This is from their share, which we're releasing in advance. And the only condition that we have put is that we want a principal secretary to be there to monitor this finance so that it is not misused or diverted for any other purpose but for salaries. And that's where the escrow account has been opened, which will be meant and dealt by the district council. Nobody is going to run this account except the district council and the officials there, and the principal secretary will have the opportunity to monitor it. Obviously, because we're giving in advance and we want to ensure that the money is utilized for the salary. And we have also stressed on the fact that reforms should take place, service rules should come into place, and revenue collection should go up. So we are hoping that when all of this falls into place, we will see some kind of a financial stability. And this offer and this discussion is on even with the Genti Hills and the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. But as I said, we are not here to force anyone. We are here to work together and to support and to help them in any way possible. If the councils agree, it's only then will we find a way to work together and to move forward.